Carrots are one of the most popular and nutritious root vegetables in the world. Scientifically known as Daucus carota, carrots are rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber that provide powerful health benefits. Whether eaten raw, cooked, or as fresh juice, carrots support overall health in multiple ways. In this article, we will explore the benefits of carrots, how they affect the body, the best time to consume them, and how to prepare carrot juice properly for maximum benefits. Carrot nutritional value of carrots. Carrots are low in calories but high in nutrients. A medium-sized carrot contains vitamin A from beta-carotene, vitamin C, vitamin K1, potassium, fiber, antioxidants. The bright orange color of carrots comes from beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that the body converts into vitamin A. How carrots work inside the body. Keycap 1 boosts eye health. Carrots are famously known for improving vision. This is because beta-carotene converts into vitamin A in the liver. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy eyesight, especially night vision. It also helps protect the surface of the eye and reduces the risk of age-related eye disorders. Keycap 2 strengthens the immune system. Carrots contain antioxidants and vitamin C, which help strengthen the immune system. These nutrients fight harmful free radicals in the body and reduce inflammation. A stronger immune system means better protection against infections and seasonal illnesses. Keycap 3 improves skin health. The antioxidants in carrots help protect the skin from damage caused by sunlight and pollution. Vitamin A supports skin repair and reduces dryness. Regular consumption may help achieve clearer, healthier-looking skin. Keycap 4 supports heart health. Carrots contain fiber and potassium, both essential for heart health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure by balancing sodium levels in the body. Fiber helps reduce bad cholesterol (LDL), lowering the risk of heart disease. Keycap 5 aids digestion. Carrots are rich in dietary fiber, which supports healthy digestion. Fiber promotes regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. It also supports healthy gut bacteria, improving overall digestive health. Keycap 6 helps in weight management. Because carrots are low in calories and high in fiber, they help you feel full for longer. This reduces overeating and supports healthy weight loss. Keycap 7 may reduce cancer risk. Carrots contain antioxidants like beta-carotene and other plant compounds that may help reduce the risk of certain cancers by fighting oxidative stress and protecting cells from damage. 3 o'clock best time to eat carrots. You can eat carrots at any time of the day, but certain times may provide better benefits. Checkmark morning, empty stomach. Drinking carrot juice in the morning helps the body absorb nutrients more effectively. It boosts metabolism and provides energy for the day. Checkmark before meals. Eating raw carrots before meals can help control appetite and improve digestion. Checkmark evening snack. Carrots are a healthy, low-calorie snack option that satisfies hunger without adding extra calories. Carrot raw versus cooked carrots, which is better? Both forms have benefits. Raw carrots contain more vitamin C and fiber. Cooked carrots increase the availability of beta-carotene, making it easier for the body to absorb. A balanced approach is best. Include both in your diet. How to make carrot juice, step-by-step guide. Fresh carrot juice is one of the healthiest ways to consume carrots. Cup with straw ingredients. 3 to 4 fresh medium carrots. 1 cup clean water. Optional. 1/2 lemon, small piece of ginger, or 1 teaspoon honey. Cup with straw preparation method. Wash the carrots thoroughly. Peel them lightly, optional if organic. Cut into small pieces. Add carrots and water into a blender. Blend until smooth. Strain using a fine sieve or cloth, optional. Add lemon or ginger for extra taste and benefits. Serve fresh. 3 o'clock best time to drink carrot juice. Early morning on an empty stomach. 30 minutes before breakfast. Avoid drinking late at night. For best results, drink 3 to 4 times per week. Warning: important precautions. Do not consume excessive amounts. Too much can cause carrot anemia, slight yellowing of skin. People with diabetes should monitor sugar intake. Always use fresh carrots. Carrot final thoughts. Carrots are a simple, affordable, and powerful superfood. From improving vision and boosting immunity to supporting heart health and digestion, carrots offer numerous health benefits. Adding them to your daily routine, whether raw, cooked, or as juice, can significantly improve overall wellness. Consistency is key. Moderate daily consumption can help you enjoy long-term health benefits naturally.